Okay, now I'm going to replace the old O-ring Wavian tank. Now that I've repainted this green Wavian into a red Wavian, I'm also going to refresh its O-rings, which are probably many years old and degraded. So I'll take out the old one and put in. You can see that it's still green inside. And now I'll put in the new one. Looks like it's symmetric. Seems to fit perfectly, so the mil spec apparently has been maintained over the years. Okay. Seems to go on well. This is the old one. Note, I did not open this when I was priming or painting, so that reddish stuff is the original interior, whatever coating they have inside there. It looks just like my primer, but that's not my primer.